Want me to go first?
Yes.
Okay.
I'll leave you a bit of a gap.
Alright, yell out if you need something.
Yep. I think it's just straight. I think it's just straight.
Okay. Alright, we'll go straight.
Jesus.
Yeah, that one got me.
Oh, you stuck?
Yeah.
No, good. that's sketchy, that.
I dropped on the left of that first one, it was really high.
Yeah.
And I caught a rut of the root in the next one.
Yeah.
By the time I got here, I was out of control. And then just in that soft shit.
You right?
Yeah, I'm up.
There's a pirate line through there.
Yeah,
I think someone's just gone straight.
that's what it looks like. Yeah, it just caught me out in that soft shit.
Yeah.
Ow.
Jesus Christ. Oh yeah. Guess I'm walking it. That's so like weirdly sketchy.
It's fun.
It's cool.
I mean, now I know that first one that caught me,
Yeah.
I'll be fine now.
Yeah.